Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2012 Mazda MX-5 Miata. Stock number is A6942. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, cloth interior. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Audio and cruise controls. Full stereo, that includes a 6-disc changer. Climate control and your manual transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Miata on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.